Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Digibyte. What's the current price of the Digibyte? What's the price in the Digibyte? In this video I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now the current price of the Digibyte in the market as 0.0889 USD dollar is the current price of the Digibyte. And on the other side, if you look the price in the Digibyte, so the last 1 hour pricing is going negative, and only the last 1 hour after that we look the last 1 day pricing is in Digibyte. So the last 1 day pricing is going positive, except after the last 1 hour and last 1 week the pricing is going positive, and the DGB crypto, friends, absolutely the DGB is going positive once again in the market, friends. Let me show you, friends, the more it is about Digibyte in the market. You can see here the price is in the Digibyte. Let me show on the price chart. Absolutely a good jump in the Digibyte for yesterday. As you can see here, there is the big fast, but now if you look the currently condition of the Digibyte, so currently they are again fast down for it. So a lot of holders are thinking about that, but I think that Digibyte will continue this fast to the next few hours, friends. And after a few hours, there is again chance to they take a jump in the future, friends. The few hours fast is confirmed after Digibyte, friends. That's my prediction about Digibyte, that after a few hours there is again chance to they take a jump in the market, friends. So anyways, if you look the last 24 hours, the last 1 day price is occurring in the Digibyte. You can see here positive 18.15% positive changes occur in the Digibyte, and the highest price is 0.101296 USD dollar is the highest price of the Digibyte in the last 1 day, friends. So what do you think about Digibyte? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. My suggestion for all of my viewers is that it's time to hold, not to sell, because they fast down for a later time. And my prediction is, I told you, that after a few hours there is again chance to take a jump. So if they take a jump in the future, absolutely you are in the profit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click the subscribe button now.